Hey guys, so now in this video we will sort out this query which says print the output in ascending order with respect to the length, and if the length is same then compare on the base of alphabet. So here we are talking about list of strings. So if we have some kind of string, so first of all we have to sort them in ascending order, in the length way. We have to check their length, and if length is fine, if the length is same, then we have to do some kind of comparison. So first of all we have to cover the length and the content. So just pause this here if you want to try by yourself, and let's quickly uh, see how to fix this solution. So with string, let me uh, copy this. Let's say string demo2, close all. Here we are, and let's remove this as well. So we have a clean slate with strings. And to make it more understanding what's going on, I'll just keep it same way, like double A, triple A, 5 times single, and let's say some length. And if we have same length, so let's say triple A 3 times. Okay, so this is kind of a string, and I have to compare first of all with the length. Print the length in a sorting order, like smaller one first in ascending order I'm talking about. So small a, one character, one length, then goes on one. Once the length is same, then you can go for the content. Okay, so let's run this code, then I will write some more logic here, some more kind of strings. This is the kind of simplest way to understand it. Okay, so first of all we have to obtain the stream from here. So strings dot stream dot, then we can go for sorted method, right? And now sorted needs some logic, but this time we have some big logic, right? It's not just a size comparison. We have to first of all ascending order, then compare the length. So this time we have to create that comparator. So as I said, if it goes more than one line, go for this approach. So not integer, it's a string type here. Let's call this c equals, this will have two arguments, so s1 comma s2, this sign, body starts, body closes. And now here first of all you have to get the length. So int l1 equals s1 dot length. Then same we will do for uh, second string, which is going to be compared. And once you have length, so we can say if l1 less than l2, right? So return -1. Okay, and else if there's a condition, else if, so you can go for l1 greater than l2, and then return 1. Then else goes return if length is same, right? We have compared, if it is less than 1 do this, if it is greater than do this, if they have same thing. So we have a string, so what thing is we can do with compare s1 compare oh, not semicolon. Let's do one thing, it might confuse you guys. Let's have a body. Okay, else if, then that's because in Java it's allowed, if you have just one statement you can ignore the curly braces, but I think this will reduce the readability of the code. So else return s1 dot compare to s2, and done. And remove this from here. Okay, code is ready. So first of all we are checking with the length. If length is done, then we go for the content, which uses compare, and I can use c here. Then collect, the same operation, and there's a helper class or a utility class collectors, and there's a method, static method to list. So this will convert all the sorted ones, elements of string, sorted elements, done. So first of all, before sorting, that is strings, copy, after sorting, and here goes sorted elements and small s, strings. File saved, done. Let's run the code and see, run as application, and here we are. See, we have sorted small lengthwise, so 1 2 3. Now we have 2, so it goes here, compares, goes down. So 3 are in the same way, then 4, and then more than 1. So that's how you can put down this logic. What if you have some different strings? So let me some jumble them like ABC, ART, whatever. I'm just writing randomly. AB, and let's just say A, one more AB. This says GHRT, some random more string. Done. Let's run the code. So here we are. So small a lengthwise. Then we have two lengths, so it goes in else condition, compares ABB is enough, then ABC, then GRY, then 4, and this. So that's how this logic can go on. So I'll keep this and that one as well. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video and we will see some more functionalities from Stream in terms of methods. So let's meet in next video.